Creating your own board games is an exciting way to spend quality time with friends and family, while also tapping into your creativity and resourcefulness. Whether you're looking to build something gigantic and active, like a giant Jenga set, or hoping to put a personal spin on a classic like Monopoly, do-it-yourself board games offer endless possibilities for fun, customization, and hands-on satisfaction. Let's begin with Giant Jenga, a backyard favorite that brings a playful twist to any gathering. The concept behind Jenga is simple. Stack rectangular blocks in perpendicular rows of 3, creating a tower. Players then take turns removing one block at a time from anywhere beneath the highest complete row, placing it on top, and trying to keep the tower from tumbling. To make your own giant version, start by gathering 24 2x4 wooden boards, each cut to a uniform length, typically around 10.5 inches. Sand down any rough edges to prevent splinters and to allow the blocks to slide smoothly. If you want to add a splash of personality, consider painting the blocks in vibrant colors or decorating them with patterns, family names, or even playful challenges written on each piece. Once your giant Jenga blocks are ready, all you need is a flat surface, grass, concrete, or even a large table. Stack the blocks, alternating their direction with each layer, and you're set for hours of laughter and suspense as players carefully remove and replace pieces, watching the tower sway and hoping not to be the one who brings it crashing down. The beauty of Giant Jenga is that it's easy to make, incredibly portable, and scalable for any group size. Plus, the oversized blocks add a physical element that's missing from the tabletop version, making every round a memorable event. If you prefer a more strategic and classic tabletop experience, making your own Monopoly board is a wonderful way to tailor the game to your interests. Traditional Monopoly is instantly recognizable with its square board, colored property spaces, chance and community chest cards, and play money. But with a homemade version, you can bring a whole new level of personalization to the game. Start by choosing a theme that excites you, perhaps your city, your favorite movies, or inside jokes among your friends. Design the board on a large piece of sturdy cardboard or foam board, sketching out the familiar square with property spaces around the edges. Instead of boardwalk and park place, you might have your favorite local restaurants or landmarks. The property's color groups can correspond to different themes, and you can even rename the utilities and railroads to fit your vision. Next, create custom cards for chance and community chest. Write your own funny scenarios, challenges, or rewards, maybe referencing events that only your group would understand. For the play money, print bills with personalized designs, or use poker chips or coins if you want a more tactile feel. Game pieces can be anything from painted stones to small toys, or even 3D printed tokens if you're feeling ambitious. The possibilities are endless, and the process itself is half the fun. Playing your homemade Monopoly game brings a unique sense of ownership and excitement, as every element reflects your shared experiences and creativity. The familiar gameplay gets a fresh twist, sparking laughter and conversation as players buy, sell, and scheme their way to victory. Whether you're stacking giant blocks in the yard or trading custom properties at the kitchen table, DIY board games are a wonderful way to engage with others, exercise your imagination, and create lasting memories. The only limit is your creativity, so gather your materials, invite your friends, and let the games begin.